Yes, hello and a very warm welcome on this special presentation. Krish Srikanth has made the trip to Delhi. Welcome, and also joined today by a man whose son is making India proud, Arvind Pujara. Thank you very much, sir, for joining us from Rajkot. सबसे पहली बात, before we even look at the game and all of those things, that everyone wants to know कि आपने अपने बच्चे को क्या खिलाया है पुजारा साहब कि आज वो 200 रन से कम में बात ही नहीं करता है.
आपकी बात सही है. हमने कोई ज्यादा कुछ नहीं खिलाया. हमने उसको फास्ट फूड नहीं देते. वो मेरी वाइफ थी, उसको सात्विक फूड जो बोलते हैं वो दिया, घर का खाना ही. तो बेसिकली ही इज अ वेजिटेरियन बॉय, तो उसमें वो स्टेमिना बचपन से ही अच्छा है.
मैं आपसे ये भी पूछना चाहता हूँ पुजारा साहब कि आजकल कहा जाता है कि जो आजकल के बच्चे हैं वो T20 क्रिकेट खेलना चाहते हैं, ग्लैमर चाहते हैं, वनडे क्रिकेट. ये जो टेस्ट क्रिकेट 25 साल का आपका लड़का है, इतने साल से उसके बारे में इंडिया में बात हो रही है, वो टेस्ट क्रिकेट की ये डिवोशन उसमें कहाँ से आई है?
वो उसको बचपन से ही वो क्रिकेट खेलने का शौक था और उसने बचपन में कड़ी मेहनत की. जैसे वो स्कूल से आता था तो पहले ग्राउंड पे आता था और वहाँ आके बता जाता कि मैं आ गया हूँ, और फिर बाद में घर जाता था और वहाँ से फिर प्रैक्टिस करना था. और मुझे बता के जाता है कि मुझे प्रैक्टिस करनी है, आप नेट बंद नहीं करना. मतलब कि वो बचपन से इज अ हार्ड वर्किंग बॉय. और उसके अलावा उसने जो जूनियर क्रिकेट है उसमें मोर देन 5000 रन उसने स्कोर किया है, जैसे कि अंडर 14 से लेकर अंडर 19 में. तो ये जो सब बचपन की जो कड़ी मेहनत है वो अभी उसको काम आ रही है.
Chika, there's nothing like watching your children succeed, and Cheteshwar has made his dad proud. You know, there'll be Cheteshwar is going to be someone India will talk about, but his father's got to be a very proud man today.
Yeah, definitely. Namaskar, Arvind Pujara ji. I think definitely yes. As a father, it must be a great feeling for you. I mean, whatever little I have interacted with Cheteshwar, he seems to be a very well-behaved boy. In fact, whatever I've spoken to him, one thing I can assure you, he is a very well-behaved boy, sir. I've been seeing him much before he played Test cricket, and it so happens I was probably fortunate to be the chairman to pick him to the Test side also.
Yes.
And after that also, he used to be a very well-behaved boy. In fact, when I saw him in Madras about a couple of weeks back in a function, and what I like about him, Mr. Arvindji, is this. I think his devotion is not for Test cricket. His devotion is for cricket. Because I've seen him in the challenges this year. He got 2 big hundreds, 150s and 150s. And similarly, I've seen him in all kinds of matches, A tours and everything. I think what I like about Pujara is he takes the game seriously. Most important is he seems to be a very responsible person. आप क्या किया 25 साल में इतना responsible बेटा आपका कर दिया नो, वो बहुत अच्छा है. क्योंकि maybe I also have a 25-year-old boy, a 29-year-old son.
Yes.
Probably yes. I think you should be a very proud man.
Mr. Pujara stayed with us, but Chika, it will be fascinating to watch him from now on. He converts these 50s into big hundreds, but I guess the bigger challenges will come when he travels overseas, and he seems like the kind of person who will relish those challenges.
Definitely yes. I think after all he's just gone on one overseas tour and a short tour of South Africa just before the 2011 World Cup. Unfortunately got injured, so he cannot make it to Australia or England. So when he goes next time to South Africa, which is next season, I'm sure he'll be a totally different player. See, the difference between last time going to South Africa and this time is, this time he goes to South Africa with 2 double hundreds and 2 big hundreds, which is a very important thing. Cricket is a game of confidence. I'm sure, I mean, if India has found the next wall, I would say on the wall of, we've got the halfway through, the bricks have been laid, the foundations have been laid,
yes.
The wall is being built.
पुजारा साहब, अगर मैं आपसे पूछ सकूं कि ये चेतेश्वर का जो बड़े रन बनाने का शौक है, ये कहां से है? ये जब भी उन्होंने फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेट में 100 बनाया है तो वो 200 बन जाता है. 20 फर्स्ट क्लास सेंचुरी है, 7 are over 200, 2 are over 300. What explains this appetite?
हमने उसको बचपन में यही सिखाया था कि अगर आपको ऊपर जाके खेलना है तो बैट्समैन को एक ही दफा चांस मिलता है. अगर आपको चांस मिले तो विकेट नहीं गंवाना चाहिए. अगर ये लेसन उसने बराबर कर लिया तो अभी वो उसको बहुत काम आ रहा है.
वो अपने आप को कैसे देखते हैं पुजारा साहब? क्या वो अपने आप को एक ये आजकल बहुत बात हो रही है कि चेतेश्वर इज द नेक्स्ट राहुल द्रविड़. Is that something that he thinks about, or is he very comfortable being the first Cheteshwar Pujara?
नेचुरली वो राहुल द्रविड़ ने जो इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में मोर देन 10,000 रन किया है और उसने ऑलरेडी सब प्रूव किया है। चेतेश्वर को अभी सब प्रूव करना है। अभी श्रीकांत जी ने बताया ऐसे उसको फॉरेन की विकेट पे भी उसको खेलना है, तो किसी के साथ ये कंपेयर करना ये ठीक बात नहीं है।
Chika, these comparisons, and it's, I guess, sometimes a media headline, but as far as starts in your career goes, it doesn't get bigger than this. He doesn't have to be the next Rahul Dravid. He can be the first Cheteshwar Pujara.
I think he should be a Pujara only, because as you said very rightly, it's wrong to compare him. First of all, Rahul Dravid is an extraordinary player, so it's wrong to compare a new cricketer who's just got 1,000 runs in international test cricket, second fastest to get 1,000 runs in test cricket, and to put him under pressure saying, hey, you are the next Rahul Dravid, you are the next Rahul Dravid. It's not right. Let him be Pujara, and let him do what he knows doing, piling up runs. As you said rightly, he does it in Ranji Trophy cricket, he does it in Duleep Trophy cricket, he does it in Challengers, one days, now in Tests.
Let me ask one final question before I let you go, Mr. Pujara. अभी शादी हुई है, खाली 25 साल का है, और पूजा का क्या इन्फ्लुएंस रहा है? काफी ट्विटर और सोशल मीडिया पर यह बात होती है कि उनकी वाइफ का नाम है पूजा पुजारा, तो इस नाम के साथ तो कभी भी कोई प्रेयर अनआंसर्ड नहीं जाएगी।
आपकी बात सही है। आदमी का जब मैरिज होता है तो एक में से दो होते हैं, तो दोनों का जो लक है वो काम करता है, और दूसरे की जो अपना लाइफ पार्टनर है उसकी इम्प्रेशन थोड़ी बहुत तो अपने पे पार्टनर पे आएगी।
Seems to be a very good back foot player, Chika. So he should do well in conditions such as
South Africa
and Australia.
Definitely, yes. I think two good things about him. He's got the cut shot, which is very, very important against short bowling, and he's got the hook shot. Yes, the hook shot is a dangerous shot, you might say, but then that's a lot of run-getting shot too. So he's not scared of hooking, he's not scared of pulling, he's not scared of cutting, which is very, very important. And he's got a perfect technique. The most important of all, he's got a terrific temperament, man. Puja must be doing puja. You say puja, pujara, the whole family must be only doing pujas. Otherwise, God will not be giving them so many runs.
Let's hope to see this success translate into success overseas as well. But thank you very much to Mr. Arvind Pujara, and many congratulations on raising a son that this country is proud of. Thank you, sir, for joining us.